Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Google Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Google Analytics Review My Usage Experience offers a detailed analysis of your Google Analytics data, providing insights into website traffic, user behavior, and performance metrics. Its main purpose is to help website owners understand their audience better and improve their online presence. The target audience is website owners, marketers, and anyone interested in analyzing their website's performance. Key features likely include data visualization, report generation, and perhaps even customized recommendations. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. The service positions itself as a tool for gaining actionable insights from complex Google Analytics data, making it more accessible and understandable. It emphasizes ease of use and clear reporting. Pricing seems transparent, although specific details are best found on their website. No hidden fees are mentioned in their marketing materials, and they appear to offer various plans to suit different needs. The technology behind it likely involves sophisticated data processing and interpretation algorithms. Availability is likely global, as Google Analytics itself is globally accessible. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Google Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply connected my Google Analytics account, and the system automatically imported my data. The interface is surprisingly intuitive. Even though I'm not a data scientist, I found it easy to navigate and understand the various dashboards and reports. I particularly enjoyed the visual representations of key metrics like bounce rate and conversion rates. They were really helpful for quickly grasping the overall performance of my website. The speed was excellent, reports generated almost instantaneously. The quality of the results was very good, offering insightful analysis that went beyond the standard Google Analytics reports. I had a quick question about a specific metric, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was great. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the customized recommendations based on my data. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to rely on my desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Google Analytics Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that simplifies complex data analysis, making it accessible to everyone. That's my overview of Google Analytics Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.